I heard about the Fetch app originally from a friend, and she goes, oh, you got to try it. And I did. And it's almost like an addiction now. It's very user-friendly. It has the points up there. You always know where you are. It's almost like playing a game. My advice to a new Fetch user would be check out the brands. Those get you more bang for your buck. And just to be consistent. Wherever you go, get a receipt. They add up. One of my favorite offers is Casey's, and it's usually a pretty significant point bonus. Impact Fetch has had on my life. We just bought a house last year. My dad passed away. He was in the military, so I have his flag. I bought a table with my last Amazon gift card that I got from Fetch, and now I have this nice little display with my flag and my dad's picture, and I just love it. I just love it.